A fatal accident in Fitchburg involving a private ambulance company is leaving scores of questions unanswered.
A Monona family is dealing with the loss of not one, but two parents, all after an incident involving a private ambulance. Good evening. I'm Eric Franke. Sarah has the night off. It all unfolded just after 5 o'clock Monday night on South Fish Hatchery Road at Brendan Avenue. News 3's Andy Choi is here with details on what happened. Andy.
Eric, the elderly couple died within hours of each other early Tuesday after 85-year-old Laurel Hubricks was riding in the back of a non-emergency ambulance escorting her husband, 86-year-old Don Hubricks, to hospice. Fitchburg police say during this transport, the ambulance had to hit the brakes, causing Laurel to slide off her seat.
Obviously, the force from an abrupt stop caused her just to slide, straight down or straight off of the bench seat, and then, struck a piece of the cabinetry or equipment that's inside the ambulance with her head.
Authorities say the Ryan brothers ambulance driver had to brake after a vehicle in front attempted a U-turn at Fish Hatchery Road and Brendan Avenue. There was no collision, but police say Laurel was seated in the back of the ambulance, unbuckled.
That's one of the things we're looking at as part of the investigation here, is to determine what legal responsibility either the driver or ambulance folks had to make sure that any passengers were belted, or what responsibility the passenger herself may have had to be buckled.
After the injury, Laurel was transported to UW Hospital, where she died hours apart from her husband, Don, taken to hospice, where he passed away as well. Now, we should note, in our attempt to find any laws or rules when it comes to seating ambulance passengers, we found every organization has its own policies and procedures in place, and the rules vary across the board. Fitchburg police don't expect to file criminal charges, but citations may be pending. Ryan Brothers Ambulance Company declined to comment on the incident.
Very sad story. Andy, thank you for sharing.